Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is this cool amazing part right here in my hand, and basically what these are some hand soap. So the one that we got right here is the gel version, and right here is the foaming version. So I actually tried both of these for a while now, and I have to say that between both of these, one of them is actually better than the other one in my opinion, and let me tell you guys the reason why. So the one that we have right here basically produces foam when you guys press it down, versus the one that we have right here, it produces gel. And when you guys get the gel out, it's a lot harder to kind of like wash your hands, and it's just like a very jelly like texture, and I don't really like that too much. Whereas for the foam one, when it produces the foam out, it's like a whole foam, and actually it's so much easier to wipe your hand or wash your hands or whatever. And what I really like about Memphis product is the fact that every time after you guys finish using it, you guys can just buy one of those refill package and refill it yourself. And what's also really cool about this brand or product is the fact that for the ingredients, it's actually plant-based, which is pretty awesome. And it's also cruelty free, so they don't actually test this on animal. So that's definitely really cool as well. Obviously, after using the hand soap itself, your hand will feel a lot more cleaner, and they do use clean ingredients like I mentioned, which is pretty awesome. But then like I mentioned earlier, I don't recommend getting like the gel version one because it's not that great, especially with the texture that comes out. The foaming one is so much better. And I actually really like the product so much that I bought a whole pack of their refills. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So right here we have the whole pack of refills, and this one comes in a pack of 6, and they have all different types of flavors for the actual soap itself. So the one that we have right here is their green tea and aloe, and this is actually really popular. So popular to the point where they don't even have the refills for that in particular flavor. But the one that we have right here for the refills is a sea mineral flavor. So let me actually open up and show you guys what the inside looks like when you guys get the package. So for the sea mineral, when you guys open up the package, this is basically what it looks like. So the one that I have right here is a 6-pack. So you guys basically get 6 of these right here. If you guys want to, then buy at your local grocery stores as well, and they usually have these flavors or different flavors as well. The one that I tested so far is the waterfall, the sweet water, sea mineral, and the green tea aloe. And out of all of them, I think the green tea aloe is the best one in my opinion. And the next flavor after that, in my opinion, would definitely have to be like either the waterfall or this flavor right here. They actually smell really good. And make sure when you guys purchase the product itself that it says foaming hand soap, because if you guys get the gel one, then you have to use it on this one. And then on the actual packaging itself right here, you can see that each packet can refill up to 3 times or a little bit more than that for your bottle itself, which is pretty awesome. And for this flavor in particular, it uses vitamin E plus aloe, which is pretty awesome. And then here's some more specs about the product. You guys can see it back there if you guys want to take a look. And once you guys finish using the bottle itself, it's actually really easy to clean it. Like all you guys need to do is add water in here, rinse it and everything, and then you guys just want to keep pumping the water out to fully clean everything in here. That is if you guys have a different flavor. So like right here, I have the green tea aloe, so I want to clean this one up. I have to pour water inside and wash it a little bit, and then I need to pour some water inside and like squirt it out until all the green tea flavor, like the green parts here and here, comes out fully before adding the new package, because you guys don't want to mix the flavor if it's not fully clean yet. So that's basically everything that's for the product itself. Let me actually go test this out and show you guys what it actually looks like and how it works. I won't show you guys this one right here because I actually ran out and I do not want to purchase another one of these because like I mentioned, I do not like the gel one. But let's go test this out and show you guys how it works and what it looks like and everything first. Alright, so we got the foam soap dispenser right here. So I'm gonna put it right here so you can see it, but basically all you guys need to do is press it down and produce the foam out. Alright, so there's the foam right there, and then you start using it to wash your hands or whatever like that. You can see the texture looks amazing. If you guys were gonna use the gel texture, it will not feel like this, it will not look like this. That's why I like this one more than the actual gel version. So we're actually use it to wash our hands. It works so well and easy to clean our hand, you guys can see. And then basically once you guys are done with the actual product itself, once it's all done, you do want to put the water inside to just shake the bottle and rinse it, and then put some water inside and just keep squirting it out until all of this green is gone. That is if you guys are using a different flavor. If I want to change it to the sea mineral that I showed you guys right here, I will need to fully clean it before using it because you guys don't want to mix the 2 flavors together. But you guys can see from the product itself, it does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test of the product itself. You guys can see that actually does work and it works quite well. Super easy to use if you guys can see. All you guys need to do is pump out the actual foam soap itself, and then you guys are all set. And you guys can see that this opening right here is pretty small, so once you guys open it, you guys just pour it in, and then you guys can reseal it, which is pretty awesome. But now that we do quick unboxing and testing on the product itself, Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that these are worth it if you guys want one and need one of these, especially if you guys are trying to look for easy to use hand soap that is actually eco-friendly and animal-friendly or whatever as well. The only thing to kind of consider or remember is the fact of what I mentioned between both of these products. There's a gel version and there's a foam version. For me in particular, I do recommend getting the foam version because it's so much better and easy to use compared to the gel one. But at the end of the day, it really depends on you guys on which one you guys prefer to use. But both of them does work. It's just this one is better in my opinion. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually you do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for quick unboxing and testing on the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video, then make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and help this channel out as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.